Okay. So today we are going to read another story from storyweaver.org.in. The name of today's story is Ammachi's Incredible Investigation. Author is Vinayak Verma and illustrator is Rajiv Ipe. Elpe or Ipe. It's a level 3 book. So Ammachi has been cooking unyappam for the family, for Suraj and his grandfather. She is the grandmother, and then there is a grandfather in the family and Suraj. So Ammachi has been cooking a lot of things for them all the time. But then sometimes what happens, if she cooks something yummy, it is stolen. Somebody comes and finishes it before they can have a second helping. So they eat first time and then she stores the rest and then it's gone. Oh no, the unyappams have disappeared, said Ammachi. Someone must have stolen them, said Suraj. But who? Asked Ammachi. It could have been Penny, said Suraj. Penny is their dog. Or maybe it was that civet from the attic. So there is a civet living in their attic. हाँ बेटा नहीं आ रही मुझे आपकी आवाज क्लियर बेटा.
सूरज कौन है?
सूरज ये लड़के का नाम है बेटा, अम्माची का ग्रैंडसन. Said Ammachi. Perhaps. Or do you think Appachan took them? Asked Suraj. So maybe their grandfather took them, Suraj is saying. There's only one way to find out, said Ammachi. Oh, how? We must lay 3 different brilliant traps. Traps माने जैसे चूहे को पकड़ने के लिए चूहादानी रखती है ना घर में, that is a trap. जिसमें वो आके फंस जाएगा, जाल बिछाएंगे. बेटा please mute yourself, there is some background coming. First we need more unyappams. Aren't they all gone? Asked Suraj. No, I hid some in the kitchen, said Ammachi, for emergencies. Suraj is very happy that Amma has some hidden. Yaha, yum, I will get some more probably. Our first trap is for the civet, said Ammachi. When he comes through the window, our first trap is for the civet, said Ammachi. When he comes through the window, he will fall right into this basket. His weight will make the lid fall shut automatically. तो अम्मा उन्हें बता रही हैं कि वो आएगा अगर सिवेट एटिक पे से, तो वो इसमें आकर के गिर जाएगा और उसके वजन से, उन्होंने अंदर उसमें कनेक्टिंग वो लगाया है लकड़ी कि उसके वजन से ढक्कन अपने आप बंद हो जाएगा और वो इसमें फंस जाएगा. Amazing, said Suraj. This one is for Penny. If she tries to eat the unyappam, the dog, the pet dog, she will be instantly trapped under this bucket. क्योंकि उसके आने से ये थोड़ा सा भी हिला, उसने वो उनियप्पम उठाया तो नीचे वो फंसा हुआ है ना, उनियप्पम धागे से किसी चीज से लगाया है उन्होंने बेस पे, वो हिलेगा और ये नीचे गिरेगा टब और वो उसके नीचे फंस जाएगा बकेट के नीचे. अम्माची बहुत इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स में बहुत अच्छी हैं, किसी भी तरह का इंस्ट्रूमेंट बनाने में. एंड दिस हिडन कैमरा विल कैच Appachan रेड हैंडेड. और अगर दादाजी ने आके खाया तो कैमरे से उनकी फोटो खिंच जाएगी हाथ लगाते ही. Said Ammachi. If he lifts the unyappam off the plate, the string will slip out and trigger the camera's shutter. Genius, said Suraj. And now we wait. That's what spies do, right? An hour passed. Ammachi was in her rocking chair reading her favorite science book. See, Ammachi is a fan of science. You can see that from her instruments that she makes all the time, right?
She has that.
She is reading about Darwin. And see her light? What a nice idea of light she has got on her head. Like the people who go in the mines, they have such kind of things on their head. But she has made it at home herself. So she was reading her favorite science book when Suraj came running. Ammachi, come and look! The traps have been sprung. Oh, said Ammachi, let's see. The basket trap is empty. So is the bucket trap. How odd. The camera did not go off either, but the uniappams are all gone, said Ammachi. Again? तीनों ट्रैप में कोई नहीं पकड़ में आया जो इनके 3 प्राइम सस्पेक्ट थे, 3 मेजर पकड़ने वाले, लेकिन उनियप्पम गायब हो गए सारे के सारे. What a clever thief, said Ammachi. Maybe we should lay 3 more traps. Yes, said Suraj. But what will we use as bait? Don't we have 3 more uniappams left in the oven? Asked Suraj. तो सूरज ने पूछा 3 और थे ना oven के अंदर uniappam रखे हुए. Aha, said Ammachi. Not so clever after all. I see. Ammachi ने पकड़ लिया thief. Eh? Said Suraj. What? Eh? What? How did you know that there were 3 uniappams left, Suraj? Asked Ammachi. And how did you know they were hidden in the oven? चोर पकड़ा गया. And I did not tell anyone else how the traps worked. Only you could have sprung them without getting caught. क्योंकि अम्माची ने खुद ही बता दिया था सूरज को सारी चीजें. Okay, said Suraj. Fine, you caught me. I am the uniappam thief. I knew it, said Ammachi. Ammachi को पहले से आइडिया था. Those uniappams were too irresistible, Ammachi, said Suraj. You are such a good cook. Ha ha, you little flatterer. मक्खन लगा रहे हो मेरे को, said Ammachi. Who gets to eat the remaining uniappams, Ammachi? Ha ha ha, come, we will share them. हम दोनों दादी पोता मिलके खाएंगे. Oh no, said Ammachi. The uniappams are gone again. ओहो, अब क्या हुआ? ये तो दोनों इकट्ठे थे, अब कौन ले गया? ही न्यम न्यम, स्क्रंच मंच, चॉम चॉम, तक तक. तीनों चोर जो थे प्लांट इनके, वो ले गए अब की बार. So how do we catch a thief? We look for clues. क्या क्या चीज इधर उधर हुई है, क्या हिला है. Make a list of suspects. कौन कौन ये काम कर सकता है. फिर उनके लिए ट्रैप्स लगा सकते हैं, चोर पकड़ने के जाल बिछा सकते हैं. Ask clever questions. Write down everything you have discovered, क्योंकि कभी कभी बाद में हम भूल जाते हैं. Go and catch your prime suspect. Caught the wrong suspect? Oh no. Repeat step 1 to 7. And you will find your thief. Wonderful.